this video I will give all the details related to recently launched Boat ProGear B20 Smart Band. Boat made its presence felt in the highly competitive hearables segment. Now entered the wearable segment in the Indian market. The Boat ProGear B20 Smart Band is the company's first attempt in this segment. The Boat ProGear B20 comes with a real-time heart rate monitor, activity tracking with notification alerts and other standard features found in smart bands. The screen of the device protrudes out from the body, which has rounded edges that give it a different look compared to competition. Coming to specifications, the Boat ProGear B20 features a 0.96-inch touch-enabled colored display and connects to your phone with the ProGear app using Bluetooth 4.0. It is IP68 water resistant and comes with a 90 mAh battery that Boat claims can last up to 7 to 10 days with a standby time of 10 to 15 days. To charge the Boat ProGear B20, you just need to directly plug it into a USB port, as it has a USB interface right on the body. It also has a claimed charging time of 1.5 hours. The ProGear B20 has an activity tracker with 14 sports modes including running, hiking, biking, and treadmill. You can track your daily steps, calories burnt, sleep quality, and more with the smart band. It features real-time heart monitoring as well. You can be notified about messages or calls with the vibration alert feature present in the band. It also allows you to control your music, camera, and more. The Boat ProGear B20 has stylish watch faces that show important information. It also has idle time alert, find a phone, wrist wake gesture, and guided meditative breathing feature. To sync the band with your smartphone, you would require to download the app from Play Store or the iOS App Store. The ProGear B20 by Boat is priced at 1,799 rupees and comes in 3 color variants, namely beige, black, and blue. It is available for purchase from Amazon. Thanks for watching.